Okay, let's quickly do number 13, 14, and 15. Number 13 says decrease. And I said to you, remember that you have to minus when you decrease. So if we take number 13a and you say 141 times 48%, it gives you 141 times 48 over 100, which gives you 67.68. They said decrease, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to start a new sum. So I'm going to say 141 minus 67.68 gives me 73.32. Number B, 40 by 38% gives you 15.2. I have to decrease, so I'm going to say 40 minus 15.2, and that gives you 24.8. You guys, you can't just go and subtract it directly here. You have to take the big amount and take that off, because this is the amount that you're decreasing with. Number C, 770, 88%. Gives you 677.60, 6. I have to subtract, so I'm going to say 770 minus 677.6 gives you 92.4. Okay, so just do keep on doing that for the rest of number 13. For number 14, I'm also just going to do 3. I'm going to do number A, B, and D. Okay, so they said calculate the amount of simple interest earned as well as the final amount, and I gave you the formula. I said you have to use the formula of A equals to P bracket 1 plus I. So if we look at number A of number 14, they say Pumi invests 11,000 Rand for 12 years at an interest rate of 9% per annum. So if we go and we write A, P, I, N, I don't have A. I've got P, it's 11,000. I've got my I, which is 9%, which is 9 over 100. And I've got my N is 12 years. So then I use my formula and I go and substitute. So A equals to P bracket 1 plus IN equals to 11,000. 1 plus 9 over 100 times 12. And I just put it in my calculator like that. And it gives me 143,990. So you guys, this is your final amount. But I also asked you for the amount of interest earned. So interest equals to A minus P. So it will be 14,3990 minus 11,000. Which gives you 132,990. To work out the interest here, you also could have used simple interest equals to P times N times I. Okay. Number B. Number B, they gave me Daniel invests 20,800 Rand for 15 years at 18%. So we're going to say A equals to P bracket 1 plus IN 208001 plus 18 over 100 times 15. 1 over 100. Oh, sorry. Times 15. And that gives me 76960. This is the final amount. This is A. But to work out interest, I'm going to say A minus B, which will be 76960 minus 2800. And that gives me 56160. Okay, that's number B. Then I want to do number D with you because everything works the same. Number D says Mr. Moyo invests 36,000 for 6 months. Now remember, N is always in here. So 6 months is half of 12 months. So you can either say 6 over 12, or you can say 0,5, or you can say 1 over 2. Any one of the two, because it's only 6 of the 12 months at an interest rate of 8%, 8 over 100. So A equals to P bracket 1 plus IN. 36,000, 1 plus 8 over 100 times a half. Which gives you 37,440. That is A. To get my interest, I'm going to say A minus B. So 37,440 minus 36,000 is going to give me 1,440. Okay, let's do number 15. I'm also just going to do the first three, A, B, and C. Calculate the final amount at the end of each of these investments using the formula A equals to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. You guys remember this is the new formula that you learned this year for compound interest. So you have to remember to go and substitute it correctly and to put it correctly in on your calculator. It's to the power of N. So for 1A, I always still do this so that I can see what I have. I don't have A. Melody invests 18,180 for 12 years at an interest rate of 15% per annum. And this is compound interest because they gave me this formula. Otherwise, they would have just said compound interest and then I know I have to use this formula. So I go write down my formula. And now I go substitute. In P's place, 18,180. 1 plus I is 15%, which means it's 15 over 100. And N is 12 years, so it's to the power of 12. So when you put it in your calculator, I don't know if you're going to see this. You're going to say 18,180 bracket 1 plus 15 over 100. Close the bracket to the power of 12. Let me see if you can see this. Okay, so to the power of 12, get an answer. A equals to 97267,54692. If I round it off, it will be 97267. Remember, money, we always round off to 2 decimal places. The 6 is bigger than the 5, so it's going to be 5, 5. So there's your final answer for 1A. Number B. Number B, they say Lebo invest 9,900 for 4 years at an interest rate of, oh goodness, no, 8%. I read wrong the previous one. We're going to have to do it over. Oh no. I think I wrote wrong. You guys, the previous one, number 8, I think I wrote here 8%, but when I did it on the calculator, I did 15%. So the answer is right. I just think I wrote wrong. A equals to P, 1 plus I to the power of N. Yeah, I think I wrote it wrong here, but I put it correctly on the calculator. I don't know what I did. 9,900, 1 plus 8 over 100 to the power of 4. 9,900 bracket 1 plus 8 over 100. Close the bracket, and the whole bracket to the power of 4 gives you 13468,84. Please make sure that you get this answer when you put this in your calculator. You guys, otherwise you're doing the to the power of incorrect. Okay, number C. Number C, they say Edmore invests 49,700 for 6 years at 13%. And 13% is 13 over 100. So it's going to be A equals to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. 49700 times bracket 1 plus 13 over 100 to the power of 6. So 49700 bracket 1 plus 13 over 100 bracket, close the bracket, to the power of 6. And that gives me 103,473,0021. So it will be 103,473 only. Okay, you guys, that is worksheet 1 done and completed now. Like I said, I'm not going to do all of them. We will give you the rest, but I think if you follow the instructions of the first 3 that I did, it will be good. For tomorrow, please do for me worksheet 2. So we did page 1, 2 and 3 now. So it's going to be page 4. Sorry, my dog is, bless you. Bless you. Page 4. Number 1. Number 2, number 3. I think only do page 4 for me. No, you can do page 4 and 5. Do page 4 and 5 for tomorrow, please, guys. Enjoy your day. Keep safe. Peace out.